Welcome to a journey of discovery as we unveil the secrets of hidden places you should not have seen. We will venture beyond the familiar and explore the mysterious corners of the world that have remained elusive to the public eye. From forgotten underground realms to secluded natural wonders, each location holds its own enigmatic allure. Join us as we peel back the layers of secrecy and embark on a visual odyssey, revealing the unseen and inviting you to witness the extraordinary. Get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty and intrigue of these hidden gems that have managed to escape the gaze of the curious until now. Area 51. In the vast Nevada desert, cloaked in secrecy and speculation, lies the infamous Area 51. Guarded by an air of mystery, this clandestine military base has fueled endless conspiracy theories and captured the imagination of the curious. Restricted from public access, it's shrouded in secrecy, with its purpose and activities hidden behind layers of classified information. Some believe it's a hub for extraterrestrial encounters, while others see it as a hub for advanced military technology. Area 51 remains a symbol of the unknown, where the blurred lines between fact and fiction continue to intrigue and mystify those who seek to unveil its secrets. Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Nestled deep within the permafrost of the Arctic Circle, the Svalbard Global Seed Vault stands as a beacon of preservation for our planet's botanical diversity. Also known as the Doomsday Vault, this remote facility safeguards millions of seeds from around the world, ensuring the genetic diversity of vital crops. In the event of global catastrophes or natural disasters, the vault acts as a fail-safe, preserving the building blocks of agriculture. The minimalist exterior hides a vast underground storage facility cooled by the surrounding Arctic temperatures. The Svalbard Global Seed Vault serves as an international insurance policy, providing humanity with a crucial resource to rebuild and sustain agriculture in the face of unforeseen challenges, making it a symbol of global collaboration and foresight. Mesger. Nestled deep within the Ural Mountains, the closed sea of Mesger remains veiled in secrecy and speculation. Home to a restricted military installation, it's shrouded in mystery and off-limits to the public. Known for its classified status and limited access, Mesger has sparked numerous conspiracy theories, with whispers of it being a site for strategic nuclear facilities. Surrounded by dense forests and guarded by rugged terrains, this city remains enigmatic, leaving outsiders to only speculate about the nature of its activities. Mesger stands as a testament to the Cold War era, where hidden installations were strategically located in remote areas, adding an air of intrigue to its existence. North Sentinel Island, Andaman. Located in the Andaman Islands, North Sentinel Island is a place frozen in time, untouched by modern civilization. Inhabited by the Sentinelese, one of the last uncontacted tribes in the world, this isolated island is shielded by dense forests and surrounded by treacherous coral reefs. The Sentinelese fiercely reject outside contact, and their hostility has led to strict restrictions on approaching the island. Protected by the Indian government to preserve their unique way of life, the Sentinelese continue to live as hunter-gatherers, maintaining a mysterious and autonomous existence. North Sentinel Island serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of respecting the autonomy of indigenous communities and the delicate balance between preserving cultural heritage and the curiosity of the outside world. Snake Island, Sao Paulo. Nestled off the coast of Sao Paulo, Brazil, lies the enigmatic Snake Island, officially known as Ilha de Queimada Grande. Renowned for its haunting beauty and danger, this uninhabited island is home to an alarming concentration of the critically endangered golden lancehead pit viper. The island's forbidding reputation has earned it the moniker Snake Island, with estimates suggesting that there is one snake per square meter. Access to the island is strictly prohibited to protect both visitors and the unique ecosystem, creating an isolated haven for these venomous serpents. Snake Island remains a testament to the delicate balance between preserving biodiversity and safeguarding human safety, captivating the imagination with its mysterious allure and untamed wildlife. As we conclude our journey through the hidden places you should not have seen, we emerge from the shadows with a newfound appreciation for the mysteries that lie beneath the surface and beyond the horizon. From forgotten catacombs to secluded wonders, each location unveiled its own secrets, weaving a tapestry of intrigue and fascination. As you continue your exploration of the world's hidden gems, remember that curiosity is the key to unlocking the mysteries that surround us. The allure of the unseen continues to beckon, inviting you to seek out the extraordinary in the ordinary. Thank you for joining us on this expedition into the unknown, and may your future travels be filled with the excitement of discovery and the joy of unraveling the hidden wonders that await. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the spirit of adventure alive.